I just got back from work, and man, oh man, that was one hell of a first day at work. So some guy that used to work there got his ass schooled. So he got like, my recording, he showed up drunk at work, and our chef basically warned him to get out of there, and he didn't want to do that. Just taunting him, I should get out of here because those people are drunk and they're gonna drive. So yeah. What is he doing? So here's the full story. The guy showed up drunk at work. His boss, you know, same boss, his employer, my employer, fired his ass. Told him, like, go home. You're not working here again. He decides to show up at work the next day, which is just today, which is the day I was working. And the chef, which happens to be the brother of the owner, he warns him. He's like, I'll give you till 6 p.m. Drink your beer at the bar. When I see you again, I'm gonna kick your ass out. And he was taunting him. And before that, he would like get in the kitchen and like you know, like staff areas that he's not supposed to be in because he doesn't work there anymore. But he was like, I'm gonna be here if I want to be here. So that was the problem. So 6 p.m. hits and he's still there at the bar, and I wasn't there to witness this, but I heard that the chef, he's actually not a chef, he's just a cook, but the guy, he grabbed him by his collar and pulled him back from his bar stool and threw him on the ground, which, you know, like, I don't know how to feel about that. Like, I think showing up drunk at work and being a nuisance is bad. That is true. But also, like, if you're gonna kick someone out, at least do it like face to face. Don't be attacking people from behind. That's kind of a pussy outlet, I think. Oof, I can smell the weed over here. At night, I try to like be a bit more swift through these corners. Like lean the bike more and go faster through these roundabouts. Cause I'm telling you, man, people are reckless. And you don't want to be caught in one of those right there we go on the highway. I'm going a little on the fast, but you know, it is what it is. Risky business over here. Yeah, anyway, like I was saying, guy got his ass kicked, and the other thing that I don't like is they talk a lot, and that's the one thing I don't like about the hotel business over here. People talk, like when they're gonna talk behind you, when you're like their topic, they're all gonna talk behind you. They're all you know, you become their topic. Like, Like you want a prize, not a nice one, but my hand grip warmers work again. I guess they were able to charge up, because I was looking up like around 5,000, 6,000 RPMs. That's when the battery charges. So I think that was the issue, because it was on the internet. That was the reason they were giving, like when it's cycling, it needs it's probably on low battery mode. Anyway, so yeah, I was waiting tables, I was like, I wasn't nervous or whatever. I mean, as a kid I used to be nervous to do that sort of shit, but I'm 28, like what is there to be nervous about? Life has plenty of stuff to be nervous about already. Like riding on a bike at night, going through places full of idiots. You name it, basically. Why is the fucking ground wet? What happened? What happened there? Frodo, what happened there? The ground is wet. So that road over there, I don't like. But yeah, anyway, it's a short video, but hope to see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, like, all of that stuff. Shit is hanging loose. Oh, this place smells like ass, like butt. Oh, God. Oh, God. It's coming through my fucking visor, like through the air vents.